Yeah, we've been cleaning up, y'all, all day. Well, early this morning. We got the beds to clean up. We got a whole bunch of pots on the back. I wish a lot of y'all was around. I could have gave y'all some free pots. Cause I get people like, where you get your pots from? And if I had a lot of y'all around, I could have just gave them to y'all for free. Cause I hate to waste them. But nobody around here need pots, cause I'm pretty sure everybody else farm or nursery look just like this, full of pots and trash if they don't clean it up. But yeah, we gonna get this thing clean. But it's looking real good. We'll have all this done by the end of the day with no problem. This is Jade right here.
Howdy.
I gotta get me a stand for my phone so I can stand my phone up.